Review hub. Brand name: HAOYUNMA W140 to W140S. Model number: W140S. Cord length: 4 meters. Power: W, less than 800 watts. Voltage: 100 to 240 volts. Material: ABS. Certification: CE. High concerned chemical: none. Origin: Mainland China. W130 function, remote control, cannot water sprayer. W140 function, water sprayer plus remote control. W140S function, water sprayer plus remote control plus app control. Shape: square shape. Cover more. Plug: if you want US or AU plug, please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Check description below for product link.